Do you dream of flying high? Of becoming the one who leads from the sky? Then your journey begins right here. Invites confident, passionate women to join our pilot training and recruitment program. Whether you're licensed or still in training, open positions across India's leading airports, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, and more. Grow your career with world-class training, international exposure, and real leadership in the sky. The skies are calling, and it's your time to answer. With CPL or in-flight training locations, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, more world-class training, career growth, international flying opportunities. So what are you waiting for? Apply now and become the face of India's new aviation era.